Hello and welcome back to Skillweb. In this video, I will show you how to move audio in Audacity. So let's get started. Open Audacity and import the audio file you want to edit. Click and drag your mouse to highlight the specific audio segment you wish to move. Once selected, click and hold within the highlighted area, then drag it to the desired location within your project. Use the mouse to move the audio to a new position. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.